Hi, let me tell you something about Nemomobile. So it is currently just development version, not for users, but for developers. And you can see there are few applications like calculator, camera, dialer, file manager, gallery, and so on. Camera doesn't work, so the viewfinder is not connected to application. Dialer doesn't start, same messages. Gallery does start and doesn't crash, but doesn't work either because there is missing support for tracker-3, which is in Manjaro. File manager does work. Music application plays some music, so does work. You can even browse the playlist if you modify it same like me. There is as you can see, volume button doesn't work either. Sometimes and quite often it just crashes like this, and the scrolling in settings doesn't work well, so you can scroll just to some level but not on the top. I have configured my Wi-Fi connection manually from terminal using conman. I have managed to import some contacts to Contact application. I needed to fix the thumbnailer app slightly to run it. Here you can see my contact, and if you try to dial it, it will complain something about wrong symbol. Yeah, that's it. So you can see it's pretty much for developers. It looks promising, but it have some glitches so far. Out of curiosity, I've installed Qt5 Keyboard, which sorry, the package name is Qt5 Virtual Keyboard. So if you open the app which needs keyboard, then you can write like this, which is not very comfortable but does work. Additionally, I have installed Midori web browser to see what it does, how it works. I'm not able to, oh, crashed. So we will see. It's very first experience. No, crashing. So this is it, thank you.